Compare yourself to who you were yesterday and not to who someone else is today. Jordan Peterson, the professor of psychology and author of more than 4 books, wrote this sentence in his famous book 12 Rules of Life. The point here is that whenever I tried to compare myself with someone else, I always felt numb and useless. Exactly 3 years ago, I was unable to form even a single sentence in English. The fact that I cannot communicate in English was so devastating that I lost my self-confidence. I was the guy in the whole class who wasn't uttering a single word in a debate when the whole class was busy in talking and sharing their ideas. At times, I felt looked down upon, I was hopeless, I was helpless. But today I not only communicate in English but I help people to get better at English. With our unconventional learning methods, we made learning English easier than ever before. From engineers to CAs to manager and to those who are striving for growth, we help them all to achieve their dream of speaking impeccable and fluent English. Hence, we name our this 21 days course as Dream the English Gym. But people, do you know what is the easiest way to speak fluent English? It is nothing surprising but forming right habits at right time under right guidance. As James Clear famously told in his Atomic Habits book that you do not rise to the level of your goals but you fall to the level of your system. Hence, at Dream, it is our ultimate goal to form such empowering habits that reading, writing, listening and speaking becomes piece of cake to you. If you want to get better at English, I have a lifesaver for you. We are launching our 7th batch from 23rd of January 2022. Irrespective of your age, level and exposure to English, we have 2 study plans for you. First is for those who want to get better at English but they cannot afford spending their time on it. Here, we will send you 5 minutes quiz every day and that too for straight 21 days. Along with this, we will send you our study material, means something to read, something to watch and a subject to write about. And to practice English speaking, we will meet on every Sunday at 9:30 am. In those live interactive sessions, you will not only learn something valuable but you will get an environment where speaking English, even if that is broken, is easy and safe. You can change your career trajectory by enrolling at just 199. The second study plan is for courageous and determined people who want to become impressive English communicator by hook or crook. But people, do you know no one knows how to communicate in English unless they do so. Therefore, if you want to get comfortable with English, you have to choose to be uncomfortable for a while. You will get all the perks covered in our basic plan plus every day I will talk with you for 10 to 15 minutes. In those conversations, you will learn about popular ideas, great articles or thought-provoking speeches. At the end of our 3rd week, you will become a brand new person. But most importantly, you will get the confidence which is mandatory to talk in English with anyone to everyone. We cannot learn English on your behalf, but we make it easier for you. As you already know, learning cannot happen in isolation. Hence, we make sure to provide you an environment where you will not only face your fears of public speaking, but you will also overcome it. I urge you all to invest just 1,999 in yourself so that you will get 10x results in 2022 itself. We don't teach English, but we do teach how to learn English so that you will never need a teacher again. See you all on Sunday at 9:30 am. Until then, keep going, keep growing.